In the bustling streets of Guangzhou, private hire driver Lu Yunfeng reflects on his choice to drive an electric vehicle, emphasizing its affordability. Nearby, Sun Jingguo nods in agreement, pointing out how the shift to electric isn't just a budget friendly choice, but also a step towards a greener planet. China has dramatically transformed from a nation of bicycles into the world's electric vehicle powerhouse, accounting for nearly half of global sales. Analysts often state that China is 10 years ahead in EV innovation compared to other nations. The pivotal change began with leaders like Wang Gang, who cleverly redirected focus toward electric vehicles. With over $231 billion invested from the government, subsidies and tax breaks made owning EVs a reality for countless drivers, pushing the industry forward and making it affordable. Yet, concerns linger over reliance on Chinese tech. Still, many recognize that China is gearing up to dominate the EV market, paving the way for a sustainable future. As Sun Jingguo happily reflects, the world indeed has much to thank China for in this technological revolution.